Good morning, children. Join your hands, close your eyes. Prayer position. Get ready for the prayer.
तेरी है ज़मीं तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शिश कर तेरी है ज़मीं तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शिश कर सभी का है तू सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश कर तेरी है ज़मीं तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शिश कर सभी का है तू सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश कर तेरी है ज़मीं तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शिश कर सभी का है तू सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश कर तेरी है ज़मीं तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शिश कर सभी का है तू सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश कर तेरी मर्जी है मालिक हमें तुम लोग चुप क्यों हो गए गाओ ना बच्चों गाओ तेरी मर्जी हम इस दुनिया में आए तेरी रहमत से हम सब ने ये जिस्म और जान पाए तू अपनी नजर हम पर रखना किस हाल में है ये खबर रखना तेरी है ज़मीं तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शिश कर सभी का सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश कर तू चाहे तो हमें रखे तू चाहे तो हमें मारे तू चाहे तो हमें रखे तू चाहे तो हमें मारे ओ तेरे आगे झुका के सर खड़े हैं आज हम सारे ओ सबसे बड़ी ताकत वाले तू चाहे तो हर आफत टाले तेरी है ज़मीं तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शिश कर सभी का है सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश कर तेरी है ज़मीं तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शिश कर सभी का है सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू
Now, everyone will.
अविरल निर्मल सलिल सदय ज्ञान प्रदायिनी ज्योतिर्मय चहुँ उद्घोष अभय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय प्रबल प्रवाहमयी नित नूतन जीवन दायिनी सदा सनातन वेद प्रणीता परम पुनीता ये धारा अक्षय दिए विजय जय विजय जय नंद से प्रेम भक्ति ले हंसराज से त्याग शक्ति ले धर्म भक्ति का राष्ट्र शक्ति का हो दिन मान उदय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय सुख समृद्धि इसकी लहरें प्रेम शांति इसके तट ठहरे सघन शांतिमय प्रबल क्रांतिमय लिए अटल निश्चय दिए विजय जय दिए विजय जय
आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव. Children, today I am going to tell you about Subhash Chandra Bose, affectionately called as Netaji. He was one of the prominent leaders of Indian freedom struggle. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack. Subhash Chandra Bose is popularly known as Netaji. His father Janakinath Bose was a famous lawyer and his mother Prabhavati Devi was a devout and religious lady. His father Janakinath Bose was an affluent and successful lawyer in Cuttack and received the title of Rai Bahadur. He later became a member of the Bengal Legislative Council. Now, one of the famous quote by Subhash Chandra Bose, "No real change in history has been achieved by discussion." Subhash Chandra Bose decided to take revenge after reading so many incidents about the exploitation of the fellow Indians by British in 1960. Subhash reportedly beat and thrashed one of his British teachers, E.F. Otton. The professor made a racist remark against the Indian students. Subhash Chandra Bose was expelled from the Presidency College and banished from Calcutta University. The incident brought Subhash in the list of rebel Indians. In December 1921, Bose was arrested and imprisoned for organizing a boycott of celebrations to mark the Prince of Wales' visit to India. Netaji in Congress. Subhash Chandra Bose worked under the leadership of Chittaranjan Das, an active member of Congress in Calcutta. It was Chittaranjan Das who, along with Motilal Nehru, left Congress and founded the Swaraj Party in 1922. Subhash would regard Chittaranjan Das as his political guru. During the Second World War in September 1939, Subhash Chandra Bose decided to initiate a mass movement. He started uniting people from all over the country. There was a tremendous response to his call, and the British promptly imprisoned him. In jail, he refused to accept food for around 2 weeks. They kept him under house arrest. During his house arrest in January 1941, Subhash made a planned escape. He first went to Gomo in Bihar, and from there he went on. He finally reached Germany and met Hitler. Bose had been living together with his wife Emily Skeneck in Berlin in 1943. Bose left for Southeast Asia and raised the army. The group was later named by Bose. Although it was believed that Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose died in a plane his body. So many theories being put forward regarding his abrupt desertion. The government of India set up a number of committees to investigate the case and come out with truth. In May 1956, the Shah Nawaz Committee visited Japan to look into the situation of Bose's assumed death. Citing their lack of political relations with Taiwan, the center did not seek for the assistance from their government. The report of Justice Mukherjee Commission, tabled in Parliament on 17 May 2006, said Bose did not die in the plane crash and the ashes at Rekordji Temple are not his. However, the findings were rejected by the government of India. Now, this is the famous slogan given by Subhash Chandra Bose, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom." Yes. Now, children, we will remember Subhash Chandra Bose by singing his famous song on Azad Hind Fort.
ये जिंदगी है कौम की तो कौम पे लुटाए जा कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा खुशी के गीत गाए जा ये जिंदगी है कौम की तो कौम पे लुटाए जा शेर हिंद आगे बढ़ मरने से फिर भी तू न डर उड़ा के दुश्मनों का सर तुझे वतन बढ़ाए तू शेर हिंद आगे बढ़ मरने से फिर भी तू न डर उड़ा के दुश्मनों का सर तुझे वतन बढ़ाए कदम कदम बढ़ाए गीत गाए ये जिंदगी है कौम की तू कौम पे लुटाए
Now with this song, now everyone